So we are going to start with collection. First of all, we will create a class here for collection. So we are discussing set first. Okay, set interface first. Set interface is what? It is also a child of collection interface. So it has all the methods which are there in collection interface. The interface set. Okay, so let's say it is set demo 1. Do not create a class as set because it is already a inbuilt interface. I will take main function also because I want to execute it. So I got it, set demo 1. After this, here see, set is what? Set is an unordered collection. So what is an unordered collection? Means you will not get the output in the order in which you are inserting the elements. Plus we cannot have duplicate values in set. Okay, so we will see all those things practically. So I will take a set interface reference, set s is equal to, you know that we can take the interface reference and we can have a class. So it is better because see, tomorrow if you want to change the class, you can change, you will have to change only this code. This left side will remain same. So I will say set s is equal to new HashSet. HashSet is what? HashSet is a class which implements set. Okay, we are not implementing set here anywhere because we are not creating a child of anything. We are just simply using. It is already there in collection framework. We are just using it. Okay, so I will say import set. It will be imported from java.util. Again import HashSet. It will be again imported from java.util. So HashSet is a class which implements set. So we can create the class object and we can work with set reference. After that, we will add some elements into set, or we can say we will add some elements into collection. So see, collection is basically the collection of objects. Okay, you can add any type of data. It will be a object. Like even if I'm giving some primitive data, it will be converted into its wrapper type object. So if you can see, add method is there. It is taking a object. Okay, so I will say another add. Let's say now I'm adding a float value 20.45f. After this, let's say I will add a character. Let's say E. After that, I will add a, let's say, string. I will add a string, let's say Java. Okay, can you add a boolean in collection? So the answer is yes, we can add. Okay, what about duplicates? Let's try to add a duplicate value. Let's say add 10 once again. Okay, and how I will print the collection? Very simple. Just print s. Save it. Execute it. And you will get the collection. But here if you see the output, it is not in the order in which the elements are inserted, because it internally works according to the hash value. It is HashSet. Okay, it not the hash code. Remember, hash code is a different thing. Hash value is for every value here, there is a hash value, hexadecimal value gets generated. And it works according to that. That's why it will not maintain the insertion order. This is the most important thing with set, that set is an unordered collection and will not maintain the insertion order. Okay. Okay, after this, if you see duplicate, it is not giving you any error. See, we are saying duplicates are not allowed, but it is not giving you any error. But if you see the output, it will print 10 only one time, not two times. Means syntactically it is correct, it will not give you any error. But what will happen, there is only one hash value which is generated for 10. Okay, and if it will see the same value again, it will generate the same hash value again. Okay, and that's why duplicates are not allowed. So it will take it only one time. Doesn't matter you add it 10 times, 15 times, doesn't matter. It will not give you any error, but it will take it only one time. Okay, so this is one method. See, in the set interface, we have many methods which we can use. So add is just one method. What if I want to remove something from collection? So I will say s.remove. Let's say I want to remove 10. And after that, print the collection once again. Just execute it. And if you see now here, the value 10 is gone. Okay, so at runtime only, you can add values, you can remove values. You can check the size of set also, like this. Say s dot size. It will return you an integer. Okay, and right now it will give you the size 4 because 10 is already removed. After this, if you want to check that it contains a particular element or not, that also you can check. Like s dot contains, see here contains, and here you will have to pass the object. So let's say I want to check whether it contains Java or not. And the spellings are case sensitive here. Remember, if you will try to check small Java, it will return you false, because the hash value which is generated, it will be generated according to capital J. Remember this thing. So here also it will be case sensitive. So contains Java to true because it contains Java. The same way you can work with other methods, like you can check whether the collection is empty or not. Okay, so you can just simply print s dot is empty. See, here also by default the classes will implement or extend all the object class things. So you will have all the methods which are there in object class here also, like hash code equals everything. So is empty is returning false right now because obviously our collection is not empty. After this, there is one very important question. Can we add a collection on a collection? Like here I am adding one value manually. Let's say I already have a collection and I want to add that collection into collection. So what will happen in that scenario? Let's say I am taking this set, I am just creating another collection. Let's say it is S1, and I am not adding these many values to it. Let's say I am saying s dot add 20. Here let's say s dot add n. It will be actually s1 dot add because we are creating a new collection. And let's say instead of Java, we are taking here AI. As instead of true, let's say we are adding false. Okay. And now what I want to do, I want to add this collection on the previous collection. Let's say this is 40. Now what I want to say, s dot add all. Can you see? Add all is there, and it will take another collection like S1. Okay, and if you will print it again, it will not maintain the insertion order. Okay, if you can see here, Java 20E false, AI 40 20.4 and true, means it will mix both the collection and it will not maintain the insertion order. It's not like you will get the first collection then you will get the second collection. No, it's not like that. It will give you the output again according to the hash values, but you can add one collection on another, that is fine, you can do it. So if you can see here, it is mostly dealing with inbuilt interfaces and classes, inbuilt methods. Okay, it is not like some complex logic which you are writing. After that, again, other methods are also there with set which you can use, like equals. You can check contains all, which contains other collection or not. Even you can remove the entire collection also, like remove all collection C. It will remove the entire collection. Okay, so these are some extra methods which you will try. The other methods are there which will work with another advanced level things like stream API and all. So if you will not try it, it is okay, but some other methods you can try by your own. Okay, so that's it about set. After this we will be discussing about other classes of set. Set is not completed yet, we have discussed only HashSet. The other classes are still pending. So first you practice this, then we will be discussing the other classes.